Good morning, I'm Trish Pahanik, and this is Cynopsis, your first early morning briefing. Today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2009. Here are today's top stories. Yesterday, the Supreme Court sided with the FCC on the long-running and controversial fleeting expletives case. Effectively, the Supreme Court ruled in a close 5-4 vote the FCC could fine broadcast networks in situations when a single expletive is used on live television. Contrary to what broadcasters have argued, the Supreme Court did not find the FCC's policies on the fleeting expletives either arbitrary or capricious. This case marks the first ruling on indecency standards in more than 30 years. Supreme Court Justice Antonin Scalia related the defining opinion of the court, saying the FCC's policy and enforcement were entirely rational. Well, beginning next week, Fox is moving its newer animated comedy, Sit Down, Shut Up, out from under The Simpsons' shadow on Sundays to 7 p.m., followed by reruns of American Dad at 7:30. The final episodes of King of the Hill's last season will fill the 8:30 p.m. time period following The Simpsons. A&E Network combines tattoos with cross-country travel in a new 13-episode, 30-minute series, Tattoo Highway, premiering May 27th at 10 p.m. The series journeys with tattoo artist and former star of A&E's Inked series, Thomas Pendleton, and his business partner and wife, Monica, in their deluxe 1970s tour bus, which operates as a tattoo shop on wheels. Tattoo Highway is produced by Juma Entertainment, LLC. Following a successful debut, Spike TV's new original series, Deadliest Warrior, has spawned a digital series on Spike.com called Deadliest Warrior: The Aftermath. The online show features host Karen Elliott and a roundtable of experts discussing battle details of the linear program and questions put forth by fans. Each episode of Deadliest Warrior: The Aftermath will be available following each on-air premiere of The Deadliest Warrior, airing Tuesdays at 10 p.m. Morning Star Entertainment produces Deadliest Warrior for Spike TV. Well, football fans flocked to watch the 2009 NFL Draft with the NFL Network, ESPN, and ESPN2 gauging a record of 39 million viewers based on data from Nielsen. This year's viewership number equates to approximately 2.5 million more tuning in from the previous year and also breaks the 2007 record of 38 million viewers. MTV serves up a variety pack of new programming covering different genres such as reality, fashion, sports, comedy, animation, as well as a live afternoon show. MTV continues to aim its programming to the millennial generation, those born between 1980 and 2000, I guess that leaves me out, with shows that are aspirational, escapist, and optimistic, with 9 new series. MTV also announced a handful of returning series to its lineup: The Hills, Rob Dyrdek's Fantasy Factory, Nitro Circus, Randy Jackson Presents America's Best Dance Crew, and Run's House. On that note, that's a wrap. Be sure to check your email for the full printed version of today's synopsis with some new executive moves and more on ratings, some new classified ads, a few of the stories that did not make it into this podcast, and of course tonight's primetime broadcast lineup. This is a Synopsis Media production in association with 311 West. For Cynthia Turner, who wrote and compiled Synopsis, in Connecticut, I'm Trish Pahanik.
I'm gonna have a good day. Even if I make it myself, I'm gonna have a good day. I don't need no one else. I'm gonna have a good day. Nothing wrong I could do. I'm gonna have a good day. Hope you have a good day too.